In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multi-person scheduling with Calendly. We'll walk through the steps to set up your scheduling so that it fits the needs of a group setting, making it easier and more efficient for everyone involved. First things first, head over to calendly.com on your web browser. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address. Go on and type that in. After you've entered your email, click the continue button. Following this, you'll need to provide your password. Enter your password and select continue to move forward. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Calendly homepage. This is where the magic happens. Look for the create button, situated prominently for your convenience, and give it a click. This will open up options that allow you to manage multi-person scheduling. Here you have several choices when it comes to the types of events you can set up. There are options for a round-robin scheduling system which rotates the host duties among a team to distribute workloads efficiently. Then there's the group feature that enables meetings with multiple invitees, perfect for team collaborations. If you click on more ways to meet, you'll find the collective scheduling option, which incorporates multiple hosts. This is particularly useful when one specific host isn't necessarily required for the meeting to occur. After determining which event setup best meets your needs, move ahead and give your event a name. Choose something that clearly communicates the purpose of the meeting to everyone involved. Next, set the duration of the event, and if necessary, add some buffering time between meetings to allow for a smooth transition. Depending on the nature of your meetings, you'll also want to select the location. This could be a virtual meeting space like Zoom or Google Meet, depending on your preference. With the logistics sorted, continue to set up the availability, pick the dates and times when these meetings can take place. If you're using the group event type, you can set a maximum number of invitees. However, for round robin and collective events, typically you can only set one invitee initially. For the host in a group event, usually one host will suffice. However, round robin allows for two hosts who can take turns conducting meetings. The collective option offers even more flexibility, letting multiple hosts conduct the meeting depending on their availability at the scheduled time. After going through these steps, ensuring everything is correctly set up, remember to save your changes. With these tools in place, Calendly now empowers you to handle multi-person scheduling with ease. Managing your team's time and availability has never been more straightforward.